So next question is, considered a region r equal to xy which is belongs to r square such that x square less than equal to y less than equal to 2x. If a line y equal to alpha divides the area of region r into two equal parts, then which of the following is true? So here in this question we see the two equations are given and y equal to alpha which divides the area of region in two equal parts. Then this question asking which is the true of this question. So first here we can write the given equation r equal to xy which is belongs to r square such that x square less than equal to y less than equal to 2x. So here we can write the equation like y equal to x square, first equation, and second equation y equal to 2x. Because in this given equation we see these equations are less than also equal to. So therefore we can write this equation. Now we can draw the graph. So first equation is y equal to x square. It means this equation will be like this, y equal to x square. Second equation is y equal to 2x. It means a straight line. So we can draw a straight line equal to so this equation y equal to x square and this equation is y equal to 2x and this is the region. And also in this question given y equal to alpha divides two equal part from this area. So we can also draw y equal to alpha and it is divided two equal part. It means this is y equal to alpha. It means this line x equal to 0 but y equal to alpha. This point is alpha. Okay, now we can given the name of this point. So this is suppose O, this point P, this point Q and this point R. Now we can find the points of this intersection point, the point of Q. So using this two equation, using first equation, here y equal to x square. From second equation, we can put the value of y in this equation. So this is equal to 2x equal to x square, which means x square equal to 2x, then x square minus 2x equal to 0. So we can take x common, then x minus 2 equal to 0. So here x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Now this equation put in equation 1 and 2. When x equal to 0, from equation 1, y equal to also 0. When x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. It means the points are 0 and 0 and second point 2 and 4. So here this is the Q point and this is the O point. So the value is 2 and 4. And suppose we can draw the strip here. It means this is 4. this point will be 4, and here this is the point 2. Okay. Now, according to question, area of OPQR. What will be this area of OPR? It means here we can write 2 into area of O, P and R. We can find this term. So here first we find the area of OPQR. So here the lower limit in all terms we see this is 0, but the upper limit is 4. So it's gone 0 to 4, and here the value of x, because we can draw y equal to alpha, it means here we can using the area which is y equal to something, this is y equal to something, x into dy, this format. So y, it means x, it means from equation 1 which is root y, minus from second equation which is y by 2 into dy, and right side 2 into area of first. In this area it means O, P and R. Here we can see the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit which is alpha into x. X from equation 1, from this equation we can see root y minus y upon 2 into dy. Now we can calculate area of OPQR, which is equal to 2 into area of OP, 1 minute, area of OPR. OPR. So here from the diagram we see the lower limit is 0 to 4, and x, it means root y minus y by 2 into dy, which is equal to 2 into 0 to alpha root y minus y by 2 whole dy. Now we can integrate this value root y. It means this is integration of root y. We already know 2 by 3 y to the power 3 by 2 minus second terms integration, so which is y square divided by 4, and now we can write the lower and upper limit which is 0 to 4. Now equal to right side similar root y, it means 2 upon 3 into y to the power 3 by 2 minus y square by 4, and we can take limits 0 to alpha. Now we can calculate 2 by 3 into 4 all to the power 3 by 2 minus 4 square, it means 16 by 4 all to the limit 0 to 4, which is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 alpha all to the power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 4 and minus 0. Because in all terms, if we putting 0, then all terms become to 0. So here this is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 square all to the power 3 by 2 minus 16 by 4 upon 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4 upon 3 alpha all to the power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 4. Here we see it's become 2 all square cancel, then 2 to the power 3, it means 8 16 by 3 minus 16 by 4 equal to 4 by 3 alpha to the power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 4. So here we see after calculation, this will be become, we take 16 as a common, then 4 minus 3 divided by 12, which is equal to 4 by 3 alpha to the power 3 by 2. And see here, we missing the multiplication 2. It's become 1 upon 2. It's become 1 upon 2. Then minus alpha square by 2, which is equal to 4 by 3. And here 4 by 3 alpha to the power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 2. Now 4 by 3 we can take common, then which is alpha to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 minus alpha square by 2, which is equal to 0. Now, actually, here right side we take alpha square by 2, which is equal to 4 by 3 into alpha to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. So, which is equal to 3 alpha square equal to 8 into alpha to the power 3 by 2 minus 8, which is equal to 3 alpha square minus 8 alpha to the power 3 by 2 plus 8 equal to 0. So we get the equation from this question, which is equal to 3 alpha square minus 8 alpha to the power 3 by 2 plus 8, which is equal to 0. So this is the required equation we get to solve this question. Now we see which is the correct option in question. Here we can see the third number is the correct answer of this question.